Hello dear students, as we have started board classes for you, here I am to discuss some important things and some tips and tricks to prepare English for your 12th board examination. So I'll tell you how to score maximum marks in English, and along with that I must tell you that CBSE has made some radical changes in your exam pattern. So before talking about anything else, I must tell you that what are the changes. And as you might be aware that 30% of your syllabus has been curtailed. So now you have to study only 70% of that portion, and that is very small, I should say, very small. That is just 5 chapters in your Flamingo along with some 5 poems, and similarly 5 in your Vista. So the course is very small, and now the change of pattern demands some attention. That's the only thing where you need to focus on. So let me introduce the things, the important things here. So see, your paper will have 2 parts. One is part A and the other is part B. Earlier, since last year you had 3 sections, but now we have only 2 parts, right? So part A will be of 40 marks, and in part A you will have 2 things, that is reading comprehension and literature. So what will you have in reading comprehension? You will have 2 passages, that is one passage of 10 marks and the passage number 2 that will also be of 10 marks, but the number of questions will be 11 each. And out of those 11 you will have to do or attempt only 10 questions. Now see this thing, that the combined word limit, that means the length of the passage will be small as compared to what we had in the earlier examinations or previous year papers. That will be 70 to 750 words only, and the questions will be MCQs. Okay, no one-liners or very short answer type questions, no such things will be there, only MCQs. And the other change is that the second passage will be a case-based passage. Now what does that mean? You will be given some report, and on the basis of that you will be asked certain questions and you will have to answer those questions. The other change in reading section is the type of questions will be different what we had been asked earlier. That means the questions will be reason and assertion based. So you'll have to apply some logic in that. It won't be like directly asked from the passage, okay, you read or you pick some line from that and you, okay, take the answer for that. So it won't be that way. You'll have to apply, you must know how to read between the lines. Only then you'll be able to answer the question properly. Okay, now see these 2 things just colored in red, note making and summarizing. And why I mentioned these 2 things? The reason is these 2 things are now not in your course. These 2 things are not in your course now, so you don't have to study these 2 things. Now the reason behind that why I'm telling you this is you may refer to some old books or books from your seniors or so, and in those books you'll find these topics. So you may get confused that should I study this or not. So right in the beginning what you should do, that whatever is not in your course, whatever has been deleted from your course, you just make a cross mark, put a cross mark before that, so that at the end when you start reading or going through these things you don't get confused. Okay, now let's come to the literature section. That 2 is of 20 marks. In prose you will have 3 extracts, and out of 3 extracts you will have to study 2. Okay, you will have to attempt 2, and will be of 8 marks. Now see, both from Flamingo and Vistas, only MCQs, no one-liners or so, only MCQs will be asked. In poetry you will have 2 extracts. Out of 2 you'll have to attempt only 1. And that will be of 4 marks only. MCQs here too. So these things were not in earlier papers or previous year's papers. You won't find so don't refer to those papers. Yes, you can go through, or you can just take one or two papers to see, okay, the type of questions asked, or especially for short answer type or long answer type, but not for these type of questions. That will only confuse you, right? Then text-based question. Now, what does this mean? Text-based questions here means it may be very short answer type, 1 lines or 2 lines. That may be the word limit for these questions, and will be of 8 marks, both from Flamingo and Vistas. So this is your part A. Now, what is there in part B? Let's see. Subjective questions will be there, will be of 40 marks, okay? And this part B is divided into writing and literature. So in writing, it will be of 16 marks. In writing, here you will have short composition. In short composition, notice and advertisement, these two things will be there. Out of the 2 given questions, you'll have to attempt just 1. Now, see, the second one. Now here again, you need to mark one thing. If you refer to the old papers, you will see that there was only 1 question of short composition, and invitation was clubbed with these 2 things. But now invitation will be asked separately. That means you will have invitation only in option along with invitation, right? Here you may have, with notice you may have advertisement, but here with invitation you will have the other kind of invitation, that may be formal, informal, replies, or card format or letter format or anything like that. So the details have been discussed in the videos, so you don't have to get confused that what sir is telling. So the details of each topic I have explained in the videos, so you will find the explanation that what is card format, what is letter format, if you haven't gone through these things earlier, right? Now, the marks, 3 marks each, whether notice or invitation, 3 marks each, you will get options. Out of the 2, you will have to attempt only 1. Now see the letter. In letter writing, 5 marks, this will be of 5 marks. Out of 2, you'll have to attempt 1. Here again, you don't have to bother at all. You just cram certain things, and what I'll tell you, see, you don't have to go through official letters or say letters of complaint or letters of inquiry. They have been removed from your course. Now you have to study only letter to editor and job applications. And for sure, job applications are there, will be there. So you just cram some 1 or 2 types only. You'll have to change the post and designation, these kind of things. Otherwise, you can just paste the things in your answer sheet, and you won't have to bother about that where my marks will be curtailed or so. Not at all. Okay. And in letter to editor, okay, just some part may be there, and so far you have if you have practiced these things very well, then you will be able to make up for that. Okay. So this 5 marks, letter writing, article and report, 5 marks. Out of 2, you'll have to attempt 1. So here too, the important thing is no speech now, no debate now, only these are the topics. So you'll find speech and debate in the old books, put a cross mark there, study and prepare only article and report, and here you only have to prepare the format, that what is the format of article and how to prepare a report. If you know the report, the rest of the thing is quite same. You just have to expand the matter. So if you are an expert at that, then you will be able to do that, or otherwise just follow the tips and tricks stated and explained by us in the videos. Okay. Now, so in this way, it's of 16 marks. So the good thing for you is what? If you are not good at writing, see, only 16 marks are there. So out of 16, even if you are not good at writing, your writing skills are poor, you will be able to score some, say 10 marks. Earlier it was 30 marks. So out of 30, those students who were not good at writing would score 15 or so. But now even if marks are curtailed, you will score a substantial number here. Okay. So no need to bother at all. Then comes literature again. So literature is there in reading and writing in part B as well. Okay, part A and part B both. So here C is of 24 marks. You'll have short answer type questions, total 10, and out of 6 you'll have to attempt only 5 will be from poetry and prose both. Okay. Then short answer type questions from Vistas only, 4 marks. That means out of 3 you'll have to attempt only 2. Okay. Long answer type questions from Flamingo, poetry and prose. Now here the important distinction that you need to make and understand is from poetry as well you will get long answer type questions which were not there in the previous year questions. Okay. And so just prepare the theme, central idea, the critical appreciation of poem. If you know how to write that, if you have gone through the whole poem in a proper manner, won't be a difficult task. Long answer type questions from Vistas, 5 marks, 1 out of 2. And so option is always there in all the things. Now the other important, this is your paper pattern. So you must prepare section wise and then at a length, at a stretch, 3 hours. That sitting must be there, that practice should also be there, because only then you come to know the loopholes, the weakness, the lacuna if any is there is. So, and then we are able to patch that up. But if you take this right in the time of exam, we are at a loss what to do and how to do, right? So that's why beforehand, if you do this way, like practicing section wise and then practicing at a stretch for 3 hours, we overcome all the problems and finally we are confident, very much confident. We are damn confident that yes, I'll be able to score this many, whatever you are aspiring for, aiming for, right? Now, apart from this, one more thing that I would like to tell, that as now you are in the habit of scribbling, and sometimes what happens that you write in such a manner that you yourself are unable to understand what I've written, because if you see that, if you have to just, cast a glance at that again. So in exam, at least, I won't say that improve your handwriting, but I must say that at least write legibly. Okay, that is very important, that your presentation should be very good. That adds to your marks. Okay, and now see the deleted portion. What is it? So in Flamingo, these things, don't even look at these. Okay. In Vistas, so I'm just reading this out. Poets and Pancakes, the interview, Going Places, a roadside stand. This is your poetry, and these 3 are from prose. In Vistas, The Tiger King, The Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood. So right now you just put cross and follow the lectures, whatever lectures you are given or offered, just follow the instructions given in that, follow the questions discussed in the videos, and I can say for sure that you will score maximum marks, maximum to your ability. Thank you very much.